I brought some of my favorite wine. So this is the best wine opener ever. You always want to have this so you don't ruin your knives.
It's out by itself.
It comes up. Look at that.
I need one of these because I've broken off corks, admittedly, when I'm brushing, or I'm lazy and I forget to take the foil off, and then it kind of scratches your fingers.
Yeah. So we've got red wine here.
If you're
if you're drinking red, let's take one of these here. You want to aerate it. You just have to with red wine. So we brought a couple different ones. This one goes on the glass, and you can aerate it this way. And then this one you can just screw in, and this one seals it.
That's so cool.
It'll keep it longer than the cork will.
And what are these?
You put this in the freezer.
Yes.
And it's magnetic. And then this you freeze. It's a stick.
Ooh.
Or a glass out before you put this in. And then you actually just pour right from here.
So it chills the wine as it pours. Talk to me about traveling with wine, because I traveled internationally. I wanted to bring more wine home than I could do.
So this is the jet bag. They call it the wine diaper. So if a bottle of red were to break in your suitcase, it absorbs in here. And it's reusable. If it doesn't break, you can use them over and over again. So we gave you lots of options.